I am Dr.D.Sathya, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss one interesting topic in UV spectroscopy, electronic transition. So, what is electronic transition? In electronic transition, one electrons is jump into ground state to higher state. That means ground state to the electrons is going into the upper state. It's called the electronic transition. The electron changing one level to another level. In ground state, the electrons are stable in unexcited state. In excited state, the energy level will be high, the electrons will be absorb the energy and move on to the next level. So, these transition occurs in electronic transition in UV visible spectroscopy. Here one example for sodium. In sodium, in electronic configuration, the last two, the valence shell electrons 2p6 in 3s1. In 3s1, the one electron will be in higher state. It will be go on to the higher state. That means in ground state, it's go into the upper excited state. So, the three types of electron transitions occur in electronic transition. One is the sigma electron, the second one is pi electrons and n electrons. So, what is sigma electrons? Sigma electrons simply called it the single bonded atom. In single bond, the s orbitals is overlapped to give a single atoms. It's called it the sigma electrons. In pi electrons, the double bond, the two pi orbitals is sidewise overlapping to form a pi electrons. That means the pi bond. In n electrons, the electrons will be non-bonding. That means in oxygen, the lone pair of electrons will be not bonding to any other atoms. It's called n electrons. So these sigma electrons, pi electrons and n electrons are undergoing electronic transition. In different types of transitions occurs. In molecular electronic transition, 4 types of electronic transitions available. The one is sigma to sigma star and pi to pi star and n to pi star, n to pi star. So, n to sigma star. So, the different types of electronic transitions occurs. The sigma to sigma star electronic transition, that means one single electrons is going into the upper level. That means the sigma star energy levels, it will be excited. So, the energy will be absorbed. In same region, the 3 types of transitions also occur. The two pi orbitals, it's combined to the head-to-head manner to form a sigma bond. That means single bonded bond. That electrons will be higher into the LUMO. That means low energy molecular orbital sigma star. In same way, two p orbitals is sidewise overlapping to form pi orbitals. That means the double bonded compounds, and also the electrons will be excited into the pi star electrons. This is the electronic transition of different energy level, energy diagram. The 4 transitions is explained in this figure. The sigma electrons is jump into the first level, higher level, sigma star, and same thing the pi electrons is jump into the pi star level, and non-bonding orbitals is jump into the higher level. That means sigma star, pi star orbital. Here one example for discussed in this energy level diagram. And C double bond O, the double bonded carbon sigma and pi bonds, here in ground state 2 electrons are here. So in same way, sigma, the electrons will be higher into, that means it's a go into the upper level in second, sigma to sigma star. In same way, n to pi star, the non-bonding orbitals jump into the higher level, n pi star. In third row, the pi electrons in pi electrons will be go into the upper level, that means pi star level, and n bonding orbitals also one electrons is go into the upper level, pi star. So the 4 transition is discussed in this example. So thank you. In this class we are explained about the electronic transition. We discussed 4 types of electronic transition available in UV visible spectroscopy. When EM, that means the light will be interact to the solution. In that solution, the electrons will be jump into the ground state to excited state. So this transition will be discussed in this series.